Hello everyone! For today, I'm going to show you how I make my very easy and simple purple cauliflower salad. And if you are making this salad, adjust all the ingredients that you need. Depends how many people you have in the house. So here's my cauliflower and I add half of a medium-sized carrots and also broccoli, then a little bit of white cauliflower. This is really a colorful salad, and these are the salad dressing that I am using. Then just mix and mix it all. Very colorful salad. And also I like to add fresh chop of parsley in my salad. And this is it. Very easy and very colorful. Looks so good for me. And again, this is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.